In this video, I'm going to show you how to create rooms with custom access levels inside your community. So maybe you've already set up your community, whether it's free, paid, or invite only, and now you're thinking, okay, I want to add rooms for specific people. Maybe you're running a paid 15-day challenge. Or you want an exclusive space just for your team or a special group. This is how you do it. First, head over to your community and click on Manage Rooms. Then hit Add New Room. Give your room a name and a short description. If you're stuck, feel free to use the AI Improve button to help out. Next, pick an icon for the room and upload a banner image. Just a heads up, if you skip the room image, it'll default to the community image. Now scroll down to the room options. This is where you choose who can actually access the room. Everyone. Pretty straightforward. All your community members will be able to view and follow this room. Invite only. Only the people you manually add will see this room. You'll have to grant them access later under the Members tab. Paid. This one's for exclusive content. Members will need to subscribe monthly or yearly to unlock access. So you'll need to set up both pricing options and list at least 4 benefits of joining that room. All right, next up. Who gets to post in the room? Anyone. If someone has access, they can post and comment. Community admins only. Only moderators or admins with the badge can post or comment. Everyone else? They can still read posts, follow the room, and react. Once you're done setting everything up, hit save, and boom, your room is live. Now, what if you need to give someone access to an invite-only or paid room? Go to Members, click on View Member, then hop over to the Rooms tab. From there, you can grant access to any specific room. Need to revoke access? Same spot. Click Remove Access, type the confirmation code, and hit Continue. Access gone. Now, a quick reminder, rooms are separate from the community. Just creating a community doesn't automatically give you rooms. You have to set those up yourself. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.